Hello everybody, in today's video I want to talk again about Arbitrum token, about the airdrop, because it's happening soon, 23rd of March, and I know that many people are going to sell the airdrop by the first minute they possible do it, and at the same time I feel that those people will have $500 or $1,500, but same time it's kinda low value compared with what they could get after year 1 or 2 holding of this token, or maybe a few months. And we see it already with Aptos and how it performed already, and peaked about $18 or something. And you know, in this case I want to share my opinion. I did share it already in my Medium article as well as my Telegram channel, but it is also I want to highlight here. And if we are talking about the initial launch price, I think it's going to be around $1.5 or maybe $2.5 in the peak, and then it's going to be a huge sell-off from the people in the airdrop. And if we are looking to the history of other drops happened already, like with Optimism, Aptos for example, it's pretty much same pattern happening, and the same like in this case going to happen, at least in my opinion. And I think it could potentially go to like even 50-70 cents. I don't think it's going to be see lower prices initially from this launch, but in this case I'm going to buy more Arbitrum, and in case it's going like to 30 cents or lower, I'm going to heavily buying it and accumulating much more Arbitrum, because I think the potential is huge. As well as I mentioned already that I think that it's going to be the top 20 crypto coin market cap ranking, and the cap is going to be 3.5 billion or something. It just maybe it needs time, maybe or not, depending on the market condition. Generally, like BTC is trading like a 28k for now, and someone definitely pumping it so far. I don't know why it's happening, but I think someone just want us to feel this bullish mood. Maybe it's also in relates of Arbitrum and other like activities is going to happen, and actually it's a lot of things happening right now, so maybe it's all linked. Who knows? And you know, I'm also going to take some profit in case it will have 1.5 or $3 range for one ARB token, but at the same time I will take only like 15-30% of my ARB portfolio, but I want to hold it long term, as I say, because I think it has a lot of potential, and it's already trending and trading around $1 on the OTC market, so it's pretty much the value right now, and it seems it's going to continue happening. And I know that there is a concern about like the supply and the initial supply of ARB, but at the same time, looking into the schedule, I'm not pessimistic. I think it's kind of good. I don't have any concerns, considering like the ecosystem already built around Arbitrum, and we had a lot of great projects and supporters of Arbitrum. For example, GMX, and like many DeFi projects are just coming to Arbitrum. For example, like Stargate and Balancer and many others. And I'm actually having a lot of different DeFi projects in my Arbitrum portfolio. I also shared them in my Telegram channel. I don't recommend buying some of them, any of them actually, because those picks for me are kind of speculative, because you know, there is a kind of a hype for Arbitrum ecosystem, and most of those cryptos are like very small, and some of them even tiny market caps. In this case it could be like heavily pumped and very easily pumped actually. Same what happened with Cyberswap, for example, and I did performed like very great and traded very great. Now it's about $6, but it's pump till 18 actually dollars 20th of February, and it was even 21. I bought it at 3 here, so I cannot regret it. It could happen with other Arbitrum tokens, because there is some community who are like Arbitrum, but it will just have a larger audience starting from Thursday, and I expect a lot of new investors coming to the Arbitrum, and I'm wondering how those cryptos will be like performing. We will see. And for those of you who want to sell early, there is some exchanges already supporting, confirmed the drops, and that they're already going to list Arbitrum some specific time, Coinbase as well, and you could check what is the timing, compare it to their timing of claim. I'm also thinking that the network will be overloaded with the transactions, and maybe it's going to be the high gas. For me personally, I don't want to, if I have a chance to sell it, not sell, to claim it in the minute one, I will do it. If not, it's still fine. Maybe it makes sense to increase some gas if you want to do it, and we will see. But the main concern that people will be happy with very small money compared what they could get in some longer time, but we are mostly care what we could get right now rather than have in future. It's pretty much understandable, but just not the strategy of mine. And it is actually all I wanted to share with you guys today. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.